Welcome back to Shutli Academy. Open a match, confirm its score and status, then move through events, statistics, lineups, and standings with confidence. Before reading any analysis, confirm the fixture itself. This screen shows FC Porto against Alverca, a 2-0 final score and a 2-0 halftime score. It is marked full-time and belongs to Portugal's Primeira Liga on August 9, 2026. Keep the teams, score, status, competition, and date together so you do not read the right data on the wrong match. The 7 icons below the match summary work as a question map. From left to right, they open live analysis, events, statistics, head-to-head, injuries, lineup, and standings. This guide uses the 6 supporting data tabs: MFT, Live XG, Momentum, and Tempo stay inside the dedicated live analysis lessons. Events explains how the final score was built. FC Porto scored through Andre Silva in the 9th minute and Gabri Veiga in the 44th. The halftime marker is 2-0, matching both the halftime and final header. Read the minute, event type, player, and team side together instead of treating one row as the whole match. Statistics begins with the general view. Read the home and away values as pairs. Expected goals are 2.59 to 1.64. Possession is 54 to 46%. Total shots are 10 to 15, and shots on target are 4 to 5. Each row records one part of the match. None of these values replaces the final score. Use first half and second half when you need to separate the recorded values by period. The first half shows 5 to 6 total shots and 3 to 1 shots on target. The second half shows 5 to 9 total shots and 1 to 4 shots on target. This reveals how the balance changed without assuming both halves were alike. The XG timeline is available as a separate subview inside statistics. This screen shows the cumulative totals and their match-minute curve. In this guide, only learn where the timeline lives. The next lesson will explain how to read Live XG without confusing it with a result guarantee. Head-to-head describes this specific pairing. For Porto and Alverca, the screen records 2 meetings, 2 Porto wins, no draws, and 4 goals to 0. Recent form answers a different question. It summarizes each team's last 5 matches. Use both as supporting context, never as a guarantee about the current match. Injuries reports the feed state for this fixture. Here both teams show 0 missing, and Porto's card says full squad ready. Treat this as the displayed source state for this match, not a permanent claim about either squad. Lineup confirms how the teams were set up. This match is marked lineup confirmed, with Porto in a 4-3-3 and Alverca in a 3-4-3. Use the formation, starters, and bench as team structure data. Do not infer a missing player when the screen does not show one. Standings places the fixture inside its competition. The table is for the Primeira Liga and contains 18 teams. Porto appears first with 3 points, while Alverca appears 18th with 0. These positions are season context and do not replace the match score, events, or statistics. Start with identity, then choose the tab that answers your question. Events tells you what happened. Statistics compares the recorded data in periods. Head-to-head and form add different historical context. Injuries and lineup describe availability and shape. Standing shows competition position. In the next guide, we will focus on Live XG analysis.